Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see, before I uploaded the video, like partition, deleting the partition. So this is another simple method. Let us see how we can delete the partition while installing the Windows, even Windows 7 or Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever it is. If you are getting the partition deleting issue, you can follow this method. Let us see how we can clear this error. While you can see, we'll select like this, agreement, everything. We have just giving the option next, and we are going to select the custom installation. After that, the screen appear like this, and while the partition first one is selected, like 100 MB, and from here I am going to select delete, and I give OK. You can see that it's won't deleting that partition. It's going it's getting stuck like that. Let us wait. You can see even this partition, it's still same, and the 16 MB I am going to delete from here, and same, and 102 GB and deleting from here. You can see it's still same like that, and all those partition is, it will be the same like. So we have to delete this partition. For that, if you are using desktop, means you can press shift F10 button. If you are using the laptop, you can use shift 10 function and F10 button, so it will be easy. And let me make it like this side, so it's now clear, I think so. From this place you have to type diskpart, diskpart, and this we have to select like a diskpart. While selecting the diskpart, now we are going to list the disk. Just type the command list disk. Now we can see this two partition, the disk 0 online 238 GB. This is the hard drive, and 29 GB it's the flash which contain the operating system. Now just type the list. We have to select the select disk space 0. Now we have selected the disk, and this just we can check the volume. Just list volume. If you type this, the volume which the previous hard disk partition, means we had seen like there 16 MB, 100 MB, 50 MB. This is the, all those are the volumes which it's showing here, and this one which contain the operating system. In the above all 1 2 3 4, this 4 partition is the volume. Now just let me type one more time, list disk, and SALE select disk space 0 and hit enter. After that you just type the command CLEAN, clean. Now we have type it's clean. So diskpart succeed in cleaning the disk. After that, just exit the disk partition, and let me close the screen. Now you can see, after doing the same process, still it's like this only. Just from here you have to press the refresh button. While you press refresh, you can see now it's got a single partition. So this is how to clean your drive for the installation of smooth installation of Windows. So this is the method you can follow for Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 or 11, whatever, for the partition purpose. So if you like the video, please subscribe and support. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.